I'm Daniel Smith. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager here at Stag Bakeries. And we make a huge range of bakery products, sweet and savoury. So for the islands, we make bread, rolls, morning goods, savoury and confectionery products. And for the mainland UK and beyond, we're a biscuit manufacturer as well. We've been based at our current site since 2007, but before that, we've got baking links in the town centre going back 140 years now. So much of what we do is still made by hand using traditional recipes and time-honoured methods. So from our bread to our biscuits, the bakers get stuck in, and it's their handiwork and skill that allows us to make the products that we do. We started off originally back in our early days as a bread manufacturer, and we still make a huge range of bread products. But because it's really important that our bread is as fresh as possible, it doesn't have the shelf life of some of our other products. So around 20 years ago, we wanted to find a way to reach customers from the mainland UK and beyond as well. So that's how we came up with the idea of being a biscuit manufacturer as well. Contributing to the local community is something that we value really highly as well. So we still run our mobile shop service, which supplies groceries and other goods to elderly customers in rural areas 5 days a week. So it's really important for us to have a close relationship with CalMac because we rely on the ferry to take over all the ingredients we use on a daily basis. We use up to 24 tons of flour a month, so making sure that we have that on time is essential for us so that we can make our bread, our biscuits and our cakes, and likewise with all our other staple ingredients as well. And I think CalMac plays a part in every islander's life because it's the gateway to the mainland from where we are. It's a brand that is always at the forefront in Stornoway because we rely so much on it. Personally, I have a really strong association with because so many of our journeys away have started with the CalMac ferry. Being listed as a supplier with CalMac is something that Stag always strive for. And for us, the journey started with meeting members of the CalMac retail team over the years at trade events in London and Birmingham and Glasgow. And the relationship developed organically from there, whereby we would send samples for consideration for potentially making it onto the boats. And then once the samples were tried, we kept plugging away. And then we got notice that some of our products would be listed on boats, and we started the onboarding process, which was really straightforward for us. And the team kind of helped us with all the details they needed to get our products on the ferries in Harris and Lewis. So we've been with CalMac as a supplier for 5 years now. And it's been an excellent journey for us because we've learned as we've gone along about which products best suit the ferry. We do a range of cakes that we found were really popular with people visiting the islands, particularly in the summer. And we've also listed the Hebridean Baker products since 2023 on the boats, which have been fantastic because Caniach has a really strong relationship with CalMac as well, so it fits in really nicely. I think it's vital that the CalMac retail team have an understanding of island life, and in our experience they do, because the way things are done in the island are different. Our challenges as suppliers are different, but they've always been really understanding of that in the time we've worked together with CalMac. So we're really proud the first time we saw our products on the CalMac ferries with the other carefully curated ranges that they have on the boats, because I think for customers who visit the islands, it's a real selection of Scotland's finest products. For brands thinking of securing a listing with CalMac, the first thing we'd say is definitely go for it. Be prepared for a bit of work. Focus on what makes your brand special and what products you think might work best on the boat. So for us, we had to really focus on which of our products would be most suited for the ferry shops. The journey is worth all of the effort and time you've put in, because once you've secured that listing, CalMac will order, and they'll order regularly, and your products will be featured in one of the most unique shop windows in Scotland.